We have just learned that Air Force One is turning around and returning to Joint Base Andrews just a couple of minutes after taking off from Davos for Davos, Switzerland. President Trump was scheduled to meet with world leaders at the World Economic Forum. We're going to bring in CNN's senior White House correspondent, Kristen Holmes. Kristen, what do we know about what's happening here?
So we have been told by a source that was familiar with what is going on that Air Force One did turn around moments ago. It is on its way back to Joint Air Force Base Andrews, and this is because of what they are calling a small mechanical issue. They're saying that it is not serious, but that they needed to return back, and that President Trump is still going to go to Davos, but he will be taking a backup plane. So likely what we're going to see is an entire deplaning of the president and his team and getting up on one of these backup support planes that is waiting right now currently at Andrews Air Force Base. And one thing to keep in mind, there is a pool traveling with him of reporters, but one of the complications on Air Force One, of course, is that there is no internet for those reporters once they are airborne. So we will have likely a readout from those pool reporters as to what exactly was going on aboard Air Force One during this time. But what we know right now is that that plane did make essentially a U-turn after leaving and is on its way back to Andrews Air Force Base in order to have the president swap planes. Again, this is expected that he will still be going to Davos. He will still be giving his speech, and meeting with those world leaders. But again, obviously things will be slightly delayed given what's occurred today.
Yeah, and this is approximately a 7.5-hour trip to Davos. Kristen, if you're still with us, Kristen, do you know what their